Green horizons.
Creating a quick and simple landscape design is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting retreat with minimal time and effort. Whether you're a busy homeowner looking to spruce up your yard or a novice gardener eager to try your hand at landscaping, here are some tips to help you create a stunning landscape design in no time. Start with a plan. Before you begin, take some time to sketch out a rough plan of your landscape design. Consider factors such as the size and shape of your yard, existing features such as trees and structures, and any specific needs or preferences you may have. Keep your design simple and streamlined, focusing on a few key elements that will have the greatest impact. Choose low-maintenance plants. Selecting the right plants is key to creating a quick and simple landscape design. Choose low-maintenance varieties that are well-suited to your climate and growing conditions, such as native plants or drought-tolerant species. Look for plants that require minimal pruning, watering, and fertilizing, and opt for perennials or shrubs that will provide year-round interest with minimal effort. Create defined areas. Define different areas of your landscape with simple borders or edging materials such as bricks, pavers, or landscaping timbers. This helps create structure and organization in your design, making it easier to maintain and enhancing the overall visual appeal of your outdoor space. Focus on hardscape elements. Incorporate hardscape elements such as pathways, patios, and seating areas into your landscape design to add functionality and visual interest. Use simple materials such as gravel, mulch, or concrete pavers to create pathways that guide the eye and invite exploration. Add a focal point such as a bench, trellis, or water feature to anchor the space and create a sense of balance and harmony.
Damn.